By day 3 of a cruise, most people are already wasting time, losing things, and fixing problems their cabin created without even realizing it. And for seniors, those small problems add up fast. One couple told me they didn't fix their setup until day 4. By then, they'd already wasted hours searching for things, missed a medication dose, and paid for laundry they didn't need. Day 5 felt better, but the damage was already done. Today, we fix that. 14 cabin hacks for seniors over 60, and hack number 3 alone can save you real money and daily stress. By the end, that same cabin feel like a different room. Let's sail in. Real quick, if you want smarter cruise tips, hit subscribe. It'll save you more than you think. Number 14. Roll, don't drip wet. Swimsuits destroy cabin floors. You return from the pool and suddenly there's a dripping mess with nowhere to put it that won't soak everything nearby. Take your cruise line beach towel, lay the swimsuit inside, roll it tight, and squeeze. Unwrap. That swimsuit loses 80% of its moisture in 30 seconds. Clip it to the towel bar or chair back using a small hook clip. Packs of 4 cost under $5 on Amazon. Dry floor, dry swimsuit. One less daily frustration in a space that has none to spare. Number 13. The sticky note system. Seniors who use sticky notes on board are always more organized. Those who don't spend half their cruise hunting for the steward or forgetting to request basics. Pack a notepad and Sharpie. Leave daily requests on the cabin door for your steward. Extra ice, pillows, towels. Most importantly, write your medication schedule on a sticky note and stick it to the bathroom mirror. On a packed port morning, that single note is the difference between a taken dose and a missed one. 0 missed medications, 0 wasted time. A $2 solution to a problem that repeats every single day. Number 12. Hang your toiletry bag. Cruise bathrooms are tiny. Bending to dig through a floor bag every morning isn't just inconvenient for seniors over 60, it's a balance risk. Hook a hanging toiletry bag over the towel bar or door back. Medications, skincare, toothbrush, everything at eye level, reachable without bending. Senior cruisers who make this switch call it the single biggest comfort upgrade in the whole cabin. Pro tip: choose one with a clear TSA. Approved front pouch. See every item instantly. Works for your flight and the ship. It sounds simple until you do it once and never go back. 3 hacks in and your bathroom, your floor, and your mornings are already solved. But the next 3 go straight at the storage nightmare most seniors don't fix until day 4. Number 11. S-hooks beat extra hangers. You know cruise closets are too small and under-equipped with hangers. What most seniors don't know is that packing extra hangers is the second best fix, not the best. S-hooks are better. Tiny, cheap, weightless. Loop them onto the existing closet rail and your hanging capacity doubles. Jeans, shorts, anything with a belt loop, hung clean without sliding. One couple on a 7-night Caribbean sailing freed an entire drawer they'd been using just for folded trousers. Quick fix: pack 6 S-hooks. Use that freed drawer for medications or anything needed arm's reach at night. Same closet, double the space. The drawer you needed was already there. Everyone has that one small item they never cruise without. Drop yours below. Number 10. Don't unpack your cubes. The mistake almost everyone makes on their first cruise: they unpack packing cubes into the drawers and spend the whole trip digging through a mess every morning. Don't unpack. Slide the cubes directly into the drawers as they are. Each cube is already organized. Tops, bottoms, underwear. Pull the cube, grab the item, slide it back. 0 effort after day 1. 7 days in and you're still not digging through a single messy drawer. Number 9. Magnetic hooks everywhere. Most seniors pack 1 or 2 hooks. That's underusing the best system the cabin already provides. 1 hook by the door holds your cruise card. You never leave without it. A clip on the wall keeps today's newsletter visible, not buried in a drawer. A large hook takes the day bag off the floor and puts it ready to grab. I've seen one senior on Royal Caribbean use 7 hooks and said it was the most organized she'd ever felt at sea. Pro tip: pack large and small hooks. Large for bags, small for lanyards and cards. Suddenly, everything has a place, and you're not searching for anything anymore. Storage locked in, organization sorted. Next up, the hacks that actually cost you money when you get them wrong. Charging, lighting, and systems most seniors crack on day 4. Number 8. Pack a long cable. The charging port is always too far from the bed. You plug in your phone, set it on the nightstand, and the cable doesn't reach, which sounds fine until you wake up at 3 a.m. and have to get out of bed just to check the time. So your phone ends up across the room all night. Pack a 4-foot cable minimum. Better, a multi-device cable handling USB-C. Standard USB and Apple Lightning in one cord, under $15. Add a USB hub to turn that single cabin outlet into 4 ports for phone, tablet, hearing aids, and CPAP simultaneously. Now everything charges where you actually need it, right next to you. Number 7. Lit travel mirror. Cruise vanity lighting is inconsistent. Some ships are bright, others leave you squinting trying to apply a medication patch, check a wound, or prep for formal night. A folding LED travel mirror, compact enough for a makeup bag, gives you clean close-up visibility regardless of what the cabin lighting does. For seniors managing hearing aids, eye drops, or skincare precisely, this moves from optional to essential fast. Pro tip: choose at least 5 times magnification on one side. Standard isn't close enough for fine detail work that matters when you're over 60. Perfect light, perfect visibility, no mistakes on anything that counts. And this next one, if you're taking medications, is non-negotiable. Number 6. Ziploc medications by day. Managing multiple medications at sea is genuinely hard. Pills, patches, drops, organized at home, chaotic on board without a system. Label 1 Ziploc bag per sailing day. Inside, 2 smaller bags, morning and evening doses. Stack them in the nightstand in order. Each morning, pull 1 bag, no counting, no missed dose rushing to a 7 a.m. tender. Pro tip: keep a 2-day emergency supply in a separate bag stored in a different spot. 1 bag misplaced never becomes a crisis. And just like that, one of the easiest things to mess up on a cruise is completely handled. This is where most people start slipping. The next few are the ones that save you real money, and the one veteran seniors say they wished they'd known from cruise number 1. Number 5. The hanging cube system. This hack turns a cramped inside cabin into something livable and costs under $30 total. Search Pack Gear Hanging Organizer on Amazon. It unfolds into 4 to 6 hanging fabric shelves that clip directly to the closet rail, creating an entirely new storage zone from dead vertical space. Clothes, shoes, accessories, day bags, organized, visible, accessible. 0 floor space used. Quick fix. Organize shelves by day. Today's outfit on shelf 1, tomorrow on shelf 2. Getting dressed on a 6 a.m. port morning takes 30 seconds flat. More storage than you thought possible. In the cabin you already have. Problem solved before day 1 ends. Number 4. Set your nightstand on day 1. Nobody thinks strategically about their nightstand until they're half asleep, knocking things over, searching for glasses at midnight, or wasting 10 minutes finding a cabin card before breakfast. Day 1, set it and lock it. Glasses left. Cabin card center. Charger right. Tonight's medications front. Booker Kindle back. Fixed positions every night forever. By day 3, your hands find everything in total darkness without thought. Pro tip: stick a small adhesive hook to the nightstand side for headphone cables or a book light. Every vertical surface is potential storage on a ship. By day 3, you're not even thinking about it. Your hands just know where everything is. Number 3. Sink suds save $40. Weekly cruise laundry costs $30 to $50 per bag on most major lines. Over a 14-night sailing, that compounds fast, especially for seniors who pack light to avoid baggage fees. Pack 2 sink sud sachets or Tide travel pods. Rinse socks, undergarments, or a swimsuit at night. Hang them on a clip-on towel bar rack under $10 on Amazon, and they're dry by morning. A product smaller than a sugar packet just saved you $40 this week, and next week too. Number 2. Leave the suitcase open. Every senior knows to slide the suitcase under the bed after unpacking. Almost all of them do the next part wrong when it costs them daily for the rest of the sailing. Leave it open, specifically as your dirty laundry zone. Drop worn clothes straight into it throughout the week. No pile in the corner, no laundry bag to locate. By the final night, laundry is already inside the case, naturally separate from clean items, and repacking takes 15 minutes. Pro tip: a flat pop-up laundry hamper works too. Opens in seconds, keeps everything contained without using any floor space. When the final night hits, you're packed in minutes instead of scrambling like everyone else. Number 1. Turn your door into a command station. This is the one. The Hack veteran seniors say they wish they'd known from their very first sailing, usually discovered by accident around cruise number 5. Your cabin door is magnetic and almost entirely wasted. One hook at eye level holds your lanyard and cruise card. Every time you leave, you see it. Every return, you hang it back. You'll never frantically search your pockets at a restaurant or boarding line again. Add a clip for today's newsletter. Add a hook for your day bag. Card, bag, schedule. Out the door in 10 seconds every time. Pro tip: write your cabin number on a slip of paper inside your lanyard sleeve on embarkation day. Forgetting your deck number in the first 24 hours happens more than you think. Card ready, bag there, schedule visible. That's how you cruise like a pro. That's 14 cabin hacks. But there's one final thing nobody mentions before you board, and it matters more than any single hack on this list. Final power tip: set your cabin up in the first hour, not gradually, not across 2 days. First hour, before dinner, before exploring. Hooks up, cubes and drawers, hanging system in, door station ready, nightstand locked. Seniors who do this on day 1 report less stress, more energy for excursions, and a genuinely better cruise from start to finish. 1 focused hour of setup, 14 days of reward. Don't skip it. Before your next cruise, make sure you're not paying for mistakes you didn't even know you were making. Subscribe for smarter travel every time and drop your best cabin hack below. I read every one.